Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, fresh, healthy salad dressing. So let's get into it. So I'm going to be using this non-fat plain Greek yogurt right here. You can use the brand you prefer, but that's the brand that was on sale in my store. I have jalapeno, cilantro, parsley, lemon juice, and we're just going to put it all down into the blender. Now, if you've been a fan or a supporter of my channel for the longest, you know when I make a salad dressing, even the like vinaigrette-ish ones, I never put oil because I just don't like it. I don't like the aftertaste. I don't like olive oil. I don't make it in salad dressings. And so, you know, this was one that I really like. I use it on everything. And so I decided to share it with you guys. It's pretty simple. That's probably why I've never shared it, but it's very simple. But it gives a punch. It has a punch to it. Like, it's not super hot. It's none of that, but it has a punch. So you could even throw some chicken in the air fryer with no seasoning. You put this on top, honey, it's not even gonna matter. So I add my lemon juice down in there, a little salt. And you don't need the pepper because we already have the jalapeno down in there. And you just want to blend it up. And that is pretty much it. And this is how it looks. It has a pretty, green color. And I love it. Look how gorgeous this looks. It's very herby and just citrusy and so good. This can also be used as a marinade, you guys. Just add more salt to it depending on the protein that you're making. And it'll be good to go. I'm not making a salad per se today, but I am making salmon and cucumbers, and I'm going to drizzle it all over. And this is how the salad dressing looks. Just so good, so bright. I love it. So for the salmon, I'm going to be using this seasoning right here. It's $1. Everybody can afford it in the grocery store. This is very smoky, very, barbecue-y. That's not a word, but you get it. And what the sauce is going to do is it's going to like tone it, but give it that extra kick. And it's going to be amazing over my cucumbers. I've been obsessed with cucumbers, like I told you guys lately, all summer. Cucumbers and mangoes all summer. And so I just season it quickly. No fuss, no mess, right up on there like that. And then I'm actually going to use the air fryer, but you could put it in the oven and however you want to. And of course, I put a little butter on top just for like, crispiness and to get it nice and, brown on top. And this is how it looks. It smells so good. And I'm going to set it to the side and plate everything up. Now, this is everything plated up and me just drizzling the sauce all over top. Y'all, look at that pretty green color over the salmon and cucumbers. When I tell you I tore this up, it was so delicious, healthy, fresh, vibrant. It's giving spring and summer, even though summer is over. But it's just really good. And it's a, dressing that I use all the time. But again, it's not like a long drawn out recipe. So I didn't really share it before. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you try it, tag me and let me know what you think. And I will catch you on my next video. Bye.